Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore ZeyDoo CPA network and learn how to get started with promoting CPA offers step by step. I'll show you how to find offers, generate your affiliate link, and understand the basics of promoting campaigns using approved traffic sources. You can watch this full video, but quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on ZeyDoo CPA network. Guys, this is a best CPA network. You can get here lots of CPA offers. Here you can see this CPA network has got 4.4 star ratings on Trustpilot, 4.9 star ratings on affiliate paying. This is a great CPA network. This CPA network is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this CPA network from anywhere in the world. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can select your affiliate type. You can type here your email address. You can select your messenger type. You can type your username in messenger. And then you can click on next button. You can fill all of this information. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see balance. Here you can see CPA offers. This CPA network have lots of CPA offers. You can choose any of the CPA offers to promote. Here you can see rate of the CPA offer. And here you can see countries. This CPA offer is accepted in almost all countries. You can click on this button. Here you can see top offers. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see title of the CPA offer. Here you can see description. Here you can see payout rates. This CPA offer is accepted in 237 countries. Here you can see preview. Here you can see recommendations. You can use this method to promote the CPA offer like push notification, pop, and email are the best sources. You can click on add source button. Now you can type your traffic source name. Like you can type your Instagram, Facebook. You can type here your website URL. You can type your traffic source name. And then you can click on create button. You can select your traffic source and then you can click on get link button. Here you can see I have created URL for the CPA offer. You can click here to copy this URL. Now in next step what you will have to do is you will have to share this URL. I'm going to share with you one of the best method to get lots of targeted users. I wanna share with you this traffic source, 𝒕𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌. Guys, this is a best network. You can get lots of targeted users. Here you can see this network is getting more than 500,000 monthly visits. Here you can see top 5 countries. This network is getting 90% visits from United Kingdom. Guys, you can get lots of targeted users from this network. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on login button. Now you can click on register button. You can continue with Google or you can click here. Now you can type here your email address and then you can click on register now button. You can verify your email address and then you can type your username. You can type here anything. It should be unique. Now you can type your password. You can scroll down. You can click on this button. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. You can scroll down, click on this button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on post free ad button. Now you can type your title. Now you can click on next button. You can select your category. You can select your category according to your CPA offer. Now you can type your ad description. You can type your best description. Now you can type here. You can type your call to action. Now you can click on next button. You can upload your image. You can upload up to 20 images. Now you can click on next button. You can type your age. If you want, you can fill all of this information. You can click on next button. You can select your city. Now you can click on next button. Guys, you can fill all of this information and then you can click on post your ad button. You will then come to this page. Guys, if you want to get more users, then you will have to spend some money. You will have to get subscription plan. If you do not want to get subscription plan, you can click on proceed button. Yeah, here we go. Well done. Your ad will be online in a few minutes. You can click on go to my ads button. Here you can see this advertisement is active. You can click here to view this advertisement. Guys, here you can see image. Here you can see title. Here you can see location and here you can see description. Here you can see call to action. Guys, any person can see your advertisement. That person can click on contact button. They can send your message. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can click here. Guys, you can see your user's message. You can reply your message with CPA link. When user will click on your CPA link, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then ZeyDoo CPA network may credit your account. Guys, you can also add the CPA link on your website. If you want to learn more about ZeyDoo CPA network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.